Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken enchiladas. First, you'll need to cook and shred about 2 pounds of chicken, which is the heart of our filling. Next, prepare your favorite enchilada sauce, whether it's a vibrant red or a zesty green. Have your corn tortillas, shredded cheese, and any desired toppings like sour cream or cilantro ready to go. This initial setup ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get to the fun part. Assembling. Gently warm your corn tortillas in a pan or microwave. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Dip each warm tortilla into your prepared enchilada sauce, ensuring it's lightly coated. Then, spoon in a generous amount of shredded chicken and about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Roll them up tightly and place them seam side down in your baking dish. Once all your enchiladas are neatly arranged in the baking dish, it's time to add more flavor. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top, ensuring every roll is covered. Then, generously sprinkle about 1½ cups of your favorite shredded cheese over everything. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes, or until bubbly and golden brown. Your delicious chicken enchiladas are ready. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado for extra freshness. They pair wonderfully with a side of Mexican rice and refried beans. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.